Robomate Plus, India's largest curriculum-based study app. Download the app now.
Welcome to the ICSE Standard 9 Geography Guidance Lecture. Well, as far as Geography written paper is concerned, the total marks is 80. The textbook has 20 chapters. Now let's look at the question paper. The question paper has two parts in it. That is part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is of 30 marks and there will be two questions here. Question 1 and question number 2. Question 1 is of 20 marks. There will be 10 questions in all in this part for 2 marks each. Now this part covers the full portion with no options. All questions are compulsory questions. Let's move on to question number 2 of part 1. And this part deals with map marking. 10 questions for 10 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Now while doing map marking, remember to use colored pencils to enhance your presentation. For example, for mountains, the brown color would really look live and beautiful. For water bodies, it is blue. For plateaus, yellow. Indicate the locations with a scale. Use dark pencils. For labeling, write in block letters. For rivers, say River Amazon, you write as R.Amazon. For maps, refer to the last pages of the textbook. Let's move on to part 2. This section has 9 questions in all, that is from question number 3 to question number 11. 9 questions, you need to select any 5 for 50 marks. Now we know that the textbook has 20 chapters and these are divided into 9 sets or 9 questions. For example, a set may have 1 chapter or a group of chapters. You shall understand this with the following examples. Let's look at set 1. Now the theme of this set is our world and it consists of 3 chapters, chapter 1, 2 and 3. Set 2, the theme is structure of the earth and it is a set of 3 chapters of chapter number 4, 5 and 6. Set 3 continues with the same theme but this time there are 4 chapters here, chapters 7, 8, 9 and 10. Set 4 is a solo chapter called as Hydrosphere. Set 5 deals with atmosphere and it has 2 chapters, chapter number 12 and 13. Set 6 continues with the same theme but there is a solo chapter here known as atmospheric pressure and winds. Set 7, a solo chapter again known as humidity. Set 8, it's pollution and there are 4 chapters based on this theme, chapter 16, 17, 18 and 19. Moving on to set 9, which is the last set, the theme here is natural regions of the world and the chapter is based on the same theme. Now remember to study only what is in the scope of syllabus, which is given at the beginning of each chapter. So remember, you need to select any 5 chapters out of 9, but preparing 1 additional chapter is a must. All questions will carry 1, 2 or 3 marks. For 1 mark, you need to write 1 sentence. For 2 marks, 2 sentences. For 3 marks, 3 sentences. Well, if you know more points, you may definitely write them too. All the questions are not just theory based. So there will be a blend of diagram based questions and theory based questions. So you need to prepare your diagrams well. Draw the diagrams with pencil. Support answers with diagrams if required. For example, if there is a question based on heat belt, support the answer with a diagram. Once again, that enhances the presentation. Well, That brings us to an end to our guidance lecture.
Thank you for watching this video lecture. To watch more such interesting videos, attempt tests, and to get instant analysis, download the Robomate Plus app now.